Hello, good afternoon students. Today we are going to solve some important textbook question in group 16. Chemistry class 12. Question and answer session. Group 16. First question is, why dioxygen is gas? Why dioxygen is gas, but sulfur is a solid? Sulfur is a solid. Important, one more question. Important question. Very simple group, because sulfur and oxygen is present in same group. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Group 16. In this group, oxygen is a gas, sulfur is a solid. This is the question, right? Next, the oxygen, the reason is oxygen is small in size. Oxygen is small in size, high electronegativity, therefore it forms P pi multiple bond. P pi multiple bond, right? O2, one oxygen, another oxygen. This is the P pi multiple bond. P pi multiple bond. Oxygen is small in size, high electronegativity, therefore it forms P pi multiple bond. P pi multiple bond. These molecules are diatomic. These molecules, as a result, they form diatomic molecule. Due to this P pi multiple bond, as a result, they form diatomic molecule. Right. These molecules are held together. These molecules are held together by weak van der Waals force. Forces of attraction, which can be overcome by the collision between the molecules. Molecules at room temperature. Therefore, O2 is a gas at room temperature. See, oxygen molecules are held together by O2. Suppose this is a O2 molecule, another O2 molecule, two oxygens are held together by weak van der Waals force of attraction. This is called van der Waals forces of attraction. This is one O2, this is another O2. This is physical attraction. We already discussed about the van der Waals force of attraction in class 11. So this is the attraction. See, in the case of sulfur, S-site molecule, sulfur On the other hand, sulfur, sulfur has bigger size, comparatively bigger size than oxygen, and it has low electronegativity. Hence it does not form p-pi multiple bond. P-pi multiple bond. S2 molecule also not available. Sulfur present in S8 form, which is puckered ring shape. Puckered ring shape. Sulfur single bond is covalent. Therefore, sulfur is solid. See, once again I repeat the answer. Oxygen is a very small size element. It has high electronegativity. Due to these reasons, oxygen will form p-pi multiple bond. During this time, you can have one more doubt. Oxygen and nitrogen will form p-pi multiple bond, but fluorine will not form. Why? Because fluorine also small size, high electronegativity. The reason is fluorine does not have vacant d orbitals. Yes. In this oxygen and nitrogen, vacant d orbital is present. That is why p-pi multiple bond formed in oxygen, right? And one more thing, oxygen molecule sliding over another oxygen molecule by weak van der Waals force. These forces can be removed by themselves collision. They collide each other and they will break their bond at room temperature. Therefore, they are called as gases. So this is one oxygen molecule, this is another oxygen molecules. They slide over each other. Some attraction generated, that is called van der Waals forces of attraction. This is one oxygen, this is another oxygen, come close together, slide over each other. Some physical attraction generated, that is called van der Waals force of attraction. On the other hand, sulfur has bigger size, comparatively bigger size. On moving down the group, size of the atom increases. Oxygen is smaller than sulfur and lower electronegativity. On moving down the group, electronegativity also decreases. Hence, it does not form p-pi multiple bond. S2 is also not available. S2 also not available. Sulfur will not coming in diatomic form. Sulfur is a polyatomic form. S8, S6 like that. Puckered ring shape. It is a ring shaped molecule, sulfur, and S8 crown shape molecule also available. So S8 molecule, in between one sulfur and other sulfur having a single covalent bond. Covalent bond is stronger than van der Waals force of attraction. Therefore, sulfur exists as solid and oxygen exists as gas. Because oxygen are connected by weak van der Waals force. So they are existing force of intermolecular force of attraction is weak in gases. So oxygen also having weak intermolecular forces, one molecule and other molecule. Sulfur have covalent bond. Covalent bond is stronger force of attraction. So this is the reason that sulfur is a solid and oxygen is a gas. Again, I am drawing the structure of sulfur here. S8 means S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bond length is 207 picometer and the bond angle is 106 degree. This is the S8. This is crown shape. Yellow solid. This is an yellow color solid. It is sulfur is obtained from onion, garlic, hair wool, and egg, yellow of egg. All those things we learned. This is the covalent bond. Sulfur covalent bond. Oxygen diatomic molecule is like that. Oxygen having p-pi multiple bond. P-pi multiple bond. This is the p-pi multiple bond.